All right, let's find the length of arc AB. This arced symbol above the AB means it's an arc. And we're talking about the distance from A to B. And we learned two different ways of doing it. Show one way on the left and another way on the right. On the left side, we'll use a proportion where it's part over whole. So in blue, I've got the part rotation for this arc, which is 45 degrees, and the whole rotation is 360. So in terms of rotating, 45 degrees out of 360. And on the right side, we go to the arcs. So this is the part arc, and the whole arc is the circumference. And the circumference of a circle is pi times diameter. The diameter is 8. So this is the part red arc, and this is the whole red arc, all the way around the circumference, pi d. So part over whole for angles, part over whole for arcs. We cross multiply, and we'll know the length of arc B, which is x. First going this way, 45 times pi times 8. We'll write that right here. Then on the other side, we'll do x times 360. Well, 45 times 8 is 360 pi. So we have 360 pi equals 360x. Dividing both sides by 360, we get x equals pi. All right, so what's the other way to solve this problem? The other problem is just to say that this red arc is a fraction of the entire circumference. So pi times diameter, well, that's the circumference. So that's the entire distance around. But we want to just know a part of it, a fraction of it. What fraction is our arc, AB, of the entire circumference? It's 45 3/60. The part angle divided by the whole angle. All right, now if we just simplify everything, we'll know what x is, and we should get the same answer. Let's see. Multiplying, we can multiply all of our numerators and all of our denominators. 45 times 8 is 360 pi. And the 360 in the bottom divides into the 360 on the top exactly one time. So that's 1 times pi. Which way makes more sense to you? That's the way that I encourage you to practice as you work on these review assignments in the Cloud F.